Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. So friend you will be fine and spending a good and lavish life. Most welcome dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. I introduce new and great crochet ideas which I showed with you in this video, and these are very beautiful ideas. Like these ideas which I shared with you in this video are very beautiful ideas, and it's are beautiful. These are very beautiful and attractive designs which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy these crochet ideas. In this video I shared with you with the new and great crochet ideas. So friends you will begin different type of thinking ideas. I hope you will be enjoy these crochet ideas. Subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you. And hopefully friends you will be enjoy these crochet ideas which I shared with you in this video, and these are very beautiful. Subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you in this video, and it's our most unique attractive designs which are completely different to each other, and these are very beautiful elegant ideas. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy my ideas project frocks in this video I shared with you. And these ideas are very beautiful and are attracted to each other. Hopefully friend you will be enjoy these crochet and submits ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other, and you will begin different type of thinking ideas watching my video. And friends hopefully you will be enjoy these crochet ideas. These are most beautiful and great crochet ideas. Subscribe my channel, like this idea. So friend you will begin different type of knowledge criteria, you will begin different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you in this video. It's a very beautiful and most precious ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friends, subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you in this video, and these are very beautiful ideas. Hopefully you will be enjoy these and great crochet thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends, you will be enjoy these crochet ideas and gain different type of thinking ideas. Subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you in this video. These are very beautiful and unique fundamental designs which I shared with you. I hope friends you will be enjoy these crochet ideas which are very beautiful to each other. There are very beautiful and fundamental designs which I shared in this video, and these are very beautiful attractive designs. These are very beautiful ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends, you will be gain different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video, and it's are very common synthetic ideas which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my channel, like these ideas which I shared with you in this video, and hopefully you will be enjoy these ideas which I share. Thank you so much dear friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with a new and great project thinking ideas. To take care friends, inshallah next time I will meet you.